Warning shots. U.S. and Jamaican officials have a message for lottery scammers after 8 alleged perpetrators are extradited today. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janela Precious. Also this evening, chaos on campus. Education Ministry probes report a teacher pulled a gun on a student on a school compound out west.
Disease danger. Why the health minister thinks recent rains may bring unwanted woes.
Glorious goodbyes. Shamela Mitchell's report on fancy graves now dominating some cemeteries and thousands people are paying for them.
And in business news, exclusive. Facey Commodity lands what he thinks is a groundbreaking deal.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think about the extradition of 8 Jamaicans to the United States for their alleged involvement in lottery scamming?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after these messages.